All right, guys. You're currently active. You're looking for opportunities in the market where which we can make money and secure the day. That's what we're doing right now. So currently, I'm looking at gold. Gold is like it's doing what I want, and I currently want it to close. The way it's closing, it's about to close, and from there, I'll look for opportunities to go short on this particular pair. So what we simply need is after the closure, that if it close below, so you have about 5 more seconds, and I doubt that we're going to get that closure we need. Is okay. We didn't really get the closure. Or price actually closed. It closed below. I think it did. I think it did, but it depends on this exact candle now. We will get a decent recess and a flip of candle. Let's see. Or better still, we'll just wait for the 1 hour candle to close. Then from there, that will be the opening of London, and from there we can decide what to do. Because for now, we can't just go around gambling trees here. So let's do a proper breakdown. Guys. Let's do a proper breakdown, and from there I can let's do a proper program. So let me get all the things I need. Okay, guys, let me take this away. Delete. Let me remove everything that is here. Let me take away everything, and let me do what I know how to do best. So this is a 15 minutes candle, and let me start with the daily. Now I spoke about yesterday candle. That yesterday candle was an explosive candle, and it moved over 600 people. I think he actually added more after I posted that. Okay, yeah, 600 people. And currently today's candle, if I have to measure the downs and hope, okay, from the starting point it has moved 100, and it has moved down 100 as well. So you moved 100 down, 100 up. So that's what gold is currently doing. This is what I see gold currently doing. So how can I? Gold is very bullish. Like it's very bullish right now. So even a novice can just buy gold and probably make a lot of money from it without even looking at putting in stop loss and entry. But how can I look to place a trade here now? How can I get into this trade? So let's go to the 4 hours time frame and let's start breaking down it bit by bit. So the 4 hours time frame is that okay? There's something I need you guys to understand, that anytime gold breaks about a new high, it always move a $5 move. So always count. So if it breaks the current high now is what, let's say 560, 3760. So you know expect price move an extra $5. So $5 should be around this level. So let's first draw this as our level that we want price to come and retest. Do you get me? So now if I drop down to my 1 hour time frame, I can see that on the 1 hour time frame, price actually have a resistance on the 1 hour. So this is actually 1 hour resistance. The price hasn't closed above, and we have about 11 more minutes to the end of the candle. And price also gave us a support level that I held and actually gave us a double bottom before it pushed to the upside. So this is what I'm seeing currently here, and that was price is currently doing. So if I zoom in on this particular candle, like let's zoom in on it, and let's do some breakdown. Let's do some more breakdown on it. So if I zoom in, you can jump down to the 30 minutes time frame. You can see that this is candle doing some rejection right now, and it would be nice if this candle could stay the way it's staying, like just hold these horses and not break above this high, and wait for us. So like we basically wait for the next the 11 minutes to close, which is going to be a very perfect place to place a buy above. So to be a buy would be very good above this level, and stop loss would be wherever the new candle opens, and because we can have a 60 pip stop wherever the new candle low is, and we look to target this stop for about 70 pips. So this is what we're looking for on the 30 minutes. But if I drop down to the 15 minutes, I think 15 minutes has its own structure. So we have, you can see it's 15 minutes has a resistance level above this level, and it also has a support below here. But you can mind you, this coin candle has no bottom wick, so this is something we are working with now, and let's pay attention to it. So I don't want to be in a hurry. We have just 10 more minutes to close this candle. I don't want to be in a hurry to place any trade and just jump and place a buy above this level. So I want the price to actually take its time to do its thing. So I have to just wait. Let's just wait and see how it plays out. Then from there we can place a trade. So I'll probably put buys above here. So this is what I'm looking for, buys. I'm putting buys above. So this is what I'm looking for. So let's wait and see how that plays out. Let's wait and see how that plays out. No, wait, guys, wait. And mind you, you also have a structure. I think I didn't tell you guys this one as well. We also have a structure below here. So let me zoom in. Let me just leave it the way it's supposed to be. So mind you, also have a structure below here. So we are also looking for opportunities. So I know we price is overbought, but this is actually resistance that price is holding. And on the 30 minutes, you can see that the price close below the structure is something as well. It's like a fake out. So let's see if possible. If price reject this level, we can likely get a sell below the structure. We have a 7-speed range to this low here. So let's see. Waiting, guys, for 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes, guys. All right, guys, we're waiting now. We're just waiting for 4 more minutes. Leave a comment if you just tuning into the live stream. Just give a comment, leave a like. Just leave a comment and leave a like for us, guys. We're just tuning in. Leave a comment and a like. So we're waiting for the candle to close. Trading is all about patience. So we're waiting for the next 4 minutes to see how this candle close. Then we'll know what else we're going to do. If we're still going to wait extra minutes, but we're just waiting right now. Waiting, guys. Let's see if we can get a nice trade to start the week. Gold did very well yesterday. Actually, it was moving crazy. We didn't I wasn't able to call out any trade. The one I called out, I told you guys to close it, but at the end of the day, funny enough, it actually played out. It actually played out very well. I was already done looking at the chart by then, so that was just the problem. So let's wait. We have 3 more minutes. Let's see what will happen in the next 3 minutes. Hopefully, we get a buy or a sell. But if price remain in the range, then there's nothing we can do. We just have to wait to see a breakout, a break above or break below our required levels. So that's all we can do. We're waiting, guys. Let's see how the price closes. We have 2 more minutes to the end of the candle. You can see it's rejecting. 1 hour. What's 1 hour doing? I think 1 hour is trying to close bearish below the zone. No, that's 30 minutes. Sorry. 1 hour is still bullish. 1 hour is still bullish candle, but failing to break above the 1 hour resistance. The 30 minutes. 15 minutes is rejecting, the 30 minutes too is rejecting. Let's see. You have about 1 more minute. I would like this to close weak blue, so I can sniper a entry from below the structure. Like just sniper it. But I need this scan to close very weak. If it doesn't close weak, then there's no entries or anything. But I need to close weak. One more minute, guys. What is 30 minutes doing? The price is very bullish, so I'm trying my best not to place any trade that I'm not supposed to place. So it's very bullish. Let's look at it at the 1 minute. Let's see where the 1 minute is just to the upside or down. Push down, my guy. Because the 1 hour is still closing bullish, just I failed to break above that level. You get? I think we just have to just wait at this point, because this is okay. So the candle has closed. Let's look at it from the 30 minutes perspective. What is the end in 30 minutes? 30 minutes close below the structure. 1 hour is rejected the area. Should I place a trade and put my stop above here? Or I should just wait for the 15 minutes to close? If I'm anticipating volume to kick in, but this is the first 1 minute, so I don't want to enter the trade too early. Entering the trade early can be a kick in the butt. Okay, guys, I'm not entering the trade. I'm not entering the trade. I don't know, for some reason I'm just feeling a bit skeptical about it. I don't know why. I don't know why, but I'm not feeling the trade that much. I know maybe because he didn't give us a top pick. Wait, has the 1 hour breaking the previous low? Has he broken the 1 hour low? Yeah, he has. It has actually. Okay. Let's see how the 5 minutes close. Let's see how the 5 minutes close, guys. Let us wait and see how the 5 minutes close. Let's see if the 5 minutes to close below this level. Then maybe from there I can actually see, okay, let me see how this goes. You know, the overall trend is bullish, so we can't be messing around placing random trades. So that's what I want you guys to understand. I know probably I should have entered this trade, guys. No, I don't know. I can literally see the trade leave me like this, like it's literally leaving me. The problem was I forgot. I should have entered this trade actually. Okay, guys, the trade is still not bad, it's still valid. What will happen is that it's just simple, just a simple thing we do. We wait for the 15 minutes to close. You wait for the 15 minutes to close, and once the 15 minutes close, we wait for a retest, then we sell. So that is safer means we can do here. You understand? No FOMO here, no FOMO here. You're just waiting for a clear setup because the overall bias is bullish. So I don't want to go impulsive on any selling. So let's be clear of what we are doing before we jump into it. I don't know if that makes sense. So let's wait. Let's see if we get what we need in next candle, like the end in 6 minutes. Let's see if we get like a retracement. Then we look to sell the price. So that's what we're going to do. So let us wait. Let us wait on the candles and see how. Let's see how they close. So let's wait. You just have to wait. But this would have actually been a good trade. Not gonna lie, it would have actually been a good trade. Even from this low price retracing, never got to stop loss. Actually been a good trade. If anybody entered the trade, fine. It's already moved close to 1 to 1. Actually, this is a perfect trade. Actually, it's still even pushing down. So this would have actually been a very very good trade. But for some reason, I don't know what was wrong with me. I wasn't feeling it that much because the overall trend was bullish. But let's wait, guys. Let's wait. We have about 5 more minutes to the end of the candle. Hopefully, we get a rejection and we can sell. Let me take this out so it doesn't look as if I was in trade. Let me take this out. Let's wait, guys. Man, it has moved halfway to TP. So I want you to close somewhere around there. So I can have a weak feel. I want you to like retrace back up and close somewhere around here. So the next candle to like this basically what I want you to do. Let me get that too, so I can show you guys exactly what I want price to do. So it's already moving down. So we might obviously likely miss the move because it's already going. And I didn't enter it where I wanted to enter it initially. So I don't know. I just chickened out. I chickened out of the trade. But if this trade now can close like around here and leave a weak rejection, we can look for a retest, then sell from the flip to the downside. So this is something we can do. Or I feel my foot trades are checking out of the trade. So let's just see what goes on here. Let's see what goes on here. Or we might also likely have a buying opportunity because, like I said, the overall trend is bullish. So we might also have a buying opportunity the price comes to this point here. You can see price will break below, and the next candle will break bullish, something like this. When price gets to this point, we break below the structure, then we see a candle doing a rejection, then the body back close back into the zone like this. Then we can look for a retest, then we can buy the price to the up. So this is something else we can anticipate price to do. So once it flip bullish and break its high, we can look to buy from this point. So this is something else that can actually occur. So we just have to just wait and see how that plays out. Like I said, I know I chickened out of the trade, so I chicken out. But let's keep saying. Okay, it's retracing the way I want it to retrace, which is good. It's doing the retracement I need. Funny enough, my even retrace and close back inside the range. That's the funny thing. My even retrace and close back inside the range. But let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Like I said, the overall bias is bullish, so this might just be price creating some lows, some things. To proceed, see the 4 hours, see the 1 hour. You get me? The 1 hour can actually see flip bullish. So let's wait. You have to just wait, guys. You have to just wait. So 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. 1 more minute. One more minute. So get ready. We might actually get a trade. So let me bring us stuff and start putting it in place. We'll likely get a trade, guys. So all we need now is a retracement, price retracing. But I don't want it to close the way it's closing, guys. I actually need it to come below. I don't want the weak rejection to be too. Like, if it's like this, I might end up not entering it. I need to like do it proper. Okay, so I think we might not actually get any entry, any sell, anything here. I think price is trying to actually push to the upside. So, nice attempts. I don't think we actually get anything here. Yeah, no trade. No trade, guys. No trade for us. Close back inside the zone. So no trade. So just wait. This would have been a good attempt. If I don't sell from place to sell from here, it would have been a good attempt. 30 pip. You get, or even below. Once it broke below this low, just put your stop loss above here. 20 pip. Price came down for 35 pip. So this would have actually been a good attempt, but I chickened out. So it is what it is. But for now, there's nothing we can do. We just have to wait. Actually, we just have to wait. We're waiting, guys. We're waiting. I don't think there's much to be done now. The way the structure is on gold is like it has scattered. You know, like it's no longer as clear as it was before. It has scattered. So I don't even know if there's anything we can do now. The structure has actually scattered. So I don't actually know if there's anything we can do now. But we can wait, Sha. Let's wait. Let's wait. And I guess there were several purchases. I saw that afterwards. There's no trade yet. There's no trade yet. No trade yet. We're waiting. We missed the one we were supposed to enter. We missed it. So, but that's fine. There's always opportunities in the market. As long as you're patient and waiting for something will play out. We're waiting, guys. We're actually waiting to see if we get any opportunities, but there's nothing going on at all. So let's see if let's see what I can actually see in this. Let's see. What I can anticipate now is either I will enter some crazy kind of entry, and that will be like I said, crazy. If this 5 minute candle close above this zone, probably something like this. What's going on? Close above this zone, maybe we can get bridge back up. Or let's just see. Let's just see. There's nothing I'm actually looking for right now, so let's just see. Or better still, let's see if the 15 minutes can close bearish below. If we close bearish below like this, you see an opportunity for us to sell the price. So Let's just wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see, guys. Hello, guys. All right, guys, we're going to wait for the candle to. I didn't know that I've not been talking, and my voice has been muted since. So I was waiting for. I was waiting for the candle to close like below the structure, so we can get it buy to the upside. But it's not possible right now. So what's going to happen is that we're going to wait. Okay, we can see actually get it buy since price is closing above this level though. We can actually get it buy, but we're just literally there at resistance. That's the problem. We're just at resistance there. Like we're literally just at a resistance. What's the pip count? So wait, guys, we're still waiting. I hate waiting. I hate waiting for trade, but that's the best. That's the best thing you can use to make money from trading. So let's remove everything. Let me do something clearer now. Let me just do something really clear and just show you what I'm looking for. This is a range. I need price to break above this range. So I'm looking for buys above the range, and I'm looking for sells below the range too. So this is basically what I'm looking for. So let's see. Let's just see. So price already pumped up. So there's nothing I can do here. It already popped up. I have to just wait actually. I have to wait. If I get a trade, fine. If I don't get a trade, still fine. Still very much fine. By the end of the day, you just have to wait actually.
With Premium, you get to focus on the music. Explore a vast catalog of millions of songs without hearing ads, or download your playlist to listen to them anywhere. You can also play your favorite songs in any order, with the freedom to skip forward and backward as much as you'd like. Your audio, your control. Tap the banner to learn more.
We're waiting, guys. There's nothing we can do. Wait for the break above, then we look for trades. So we're getting close to our break of structure. So we need price to break above the structure. That's where we look to buy. The exam, I said the exam. The perfume I need is I don't know my budget, but I don't want it to be too expensive because I've already got person I'm getting it for. I've already gotten her a lot of things, so I don't want to. I don't want to just give me just good range. Just give me good range. Of I'm coming. Just give me 1 second. Okay, give me combo that goes from a range of 15 to 30k. And you should know the one that is good too. So you just hit me up. You just hit me up with the ones that are good, the pictures and all. You get 150k. No, I don't want to spend that amount though. Lesser than that. Maybe I can reach. Maybe I can reach 40k. I'm not doing 150k. All right, guys, we're waiting for the candles to close above. Then we try and get our $5 move. So let's see if it breaks above. This is the high. $5 move from here is okay. This is where we look to take targets from. So these are our range. This is what we're working. This is what we're working with. All right, guys, we're waiting to see what price close us. We know how we can get in. Like I said, if this candle had closed a bit lower, I would have been in on the street, so we can actually catch this range for like 30p. But we can't at this point, so you just have to wait, and you just have to wait, guys. You just have to wait, so we can actually catch this range to the upside for about 70p. So you guys give me 1 second. I need to go quickly do some things, and I'll be back. And hopefully, by the time I'm back, this trade close above, but it doesn't push to goes can misbehave a lot. So let's see. And I don't want to do any impulsive entry. That is the problem. Like I'm not showing you guys that kind of trading, and I don't want to start now. So just have to wait. Just have to wait. Just have to wait, guys. We have about give or take. We have about okay. We trace back. So I never entered impulsive. Yeah, this would have been where I got impulsive. This is how I'll be shouting, oh my stomach, oh my head, oh my trade, oh. So you guys have to be patient. Just be patient and wait. upside, like it's usually failing. It doesn't want to go up. It usually doesn't want to go up. There's nothing going on, guys. There's nothing going on. If you have any question for me, you can ask me. Let's look at GJ. Let's see what GJ is doing. I know that there's actually a bank holiday on JPY, so it's only GPP that should be moving the price. Oh, no wonder. No wonder. You can see how the candles are just printing sideways because this is because of bank holiday. So that's why there's nothing going on here. Anyways, we're still looking at. I'm still looking at. Let's keep looking at what we're looking at.
Guys.
2 more minutes. Can we get a break below so we can probably look for sales, or we'll hold on till 9 o'clock and see if we can get any other thing to trade? But for now, there's nothing going on here. We're just waiting, observing, and seeing what works and what doesn't work. Because when I know that price is just ranging. We're ranging for like a couple of hours now. We're ranging for since 6 o'clock. We're just been in this range. So guys, I don't think we have any trade going on here. So there's nothing going on here. So we just have to wait. You have to wait, guys. Just have to wait. So you don't make any rational decision and end up regretting it afterwards. So you just have to probably just wait for clean setup, clean trades. Then from there you can be proud of yourself that you waited for something good and you placed the trade, and the trade went exactly the way you wanted it to go. Whether you win or you lose, or you know that you waited for your structure to be formed, you waited for your key areas to be tapped, and you placed the trade. You understand? That's the importance of following your plan, sticking to your plan. That's the importance of being a trader. You have to actually discipline to your plan and stick to it. So that's the whole idea about it. You get me? That's the whole idea about it. So we're waiting on this candle. So the 15 minutes has closed right now, so we're waiting. So we have to wait for the next 15 minutes. Let's see how what's going to happen in the next 15. But all I can say is that I'm not on this trade yet or anything like that, so I have to just wait for. I have to actually wait to see what price does. Then we'll know what we'll do from there. You guys know what we'll do from there. So we're waiting, guys. We're just waiting to see what price can do, how we can place a trade. We're waiting, guys. Let's keep waiting. Let's keep waiting, guys. Hopefully we get what we want soon. So guys, in next 10 more minutes, if we don't get anything, I will likely call it a stream. We'll just wait. Let's call it and wait. Yeah, so just call it and wait. The volume, I don't think there's any volume in this price again. Like the volume is died, has died off. So let's just wait. If we don't get anything, we just leave it be. So what we think, guys? We have about 9 more minutes. Let's see if any magic can occur in the next 9 minutes. Let's see if any magic can occur in the next one. All right, guys. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, guys. Let's see how this candle close in 5 minutes. Then we'll know what we're gonna do next. All right, guys. You guys stay active. Seem like we will get something good in the next 2 minutes. Let's see if this candle can close below. Then we can look to place some sales. If not, we look to end the stream here and call it a day. But now the 1 hour seems to be closing bearish. But I wonder why it doesn't want to close below. Like now it just break below the structure and it's rejecting. Candles can be moving crazy. If it doesn't, we just chill. Like nothing else we can do. If it doesn't close below now, we just chill and call it. Like obviously the price doesn't want to give us anything. And a lot of people will just be losing money here, buy sell, getting stopped out. You get me? So it is it's crazy. This is crazy, like 3 rejections. Few seconds, and obviously we're not getting that close we need. We're obviously not getting the closure we need. Price is closing back bullish, or not above my zone. So I think we're going to end the stream now. We're going to end the stream now because I don't think we're going to get any entry. And the more we stay, the more we get tempted to place trades that we're not supposed to place. So I'm going to end the stream now. The move of the day. We already makes it. Already makes the move. Look at it. So guys, see you guys. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow, guys. That's a wrap. See you guys tomorrow.